Originally we were looking at code level 6, zero carbon house, and the idea was to, with Greystoke being traditional old Cumbrian village, what we tried to do is take all the sustainable design elements really and put them into a traditional feel. Basically we've got 5-bedroom house which is going to be stone faced in McLean limestone, laid in lime pointing on the front, McLean Welsh slate. All the rear is all done in lime render. The idea really is we're going for an airtight breathable box, so highly insulated breathable box. So we've got a combination of different areas of wood fibre insulation, thermofreeze and warm cell, all which are breathable. We've got panel vent externally, which is the green racking board, so that's all breathable. And then internally there's the ProClimber range of products which gives us our air tightness, but again it allows that any trapped moisture within the structure to get out and keep it breathing. The downside of a highly insulated box is the thermal mass of it. So all our ground floor is a concrete slab with the underfloor heating built into it. Just constantly trying to put thermal mass back into the building really. We've got a ground source heat pump to do the heating and hot water, and then photovoltaics on the roof. Originally we were looking at putting solar thermal in. I've done away with that because by the time we've got ground source heat pump, which is obviously efficient combined with the PV, it outweighed the benefits of going to solar thermal as well. Along the way we have diluted it down. We're not now going for code level 6, although we're trying to take all those elements from code level 6. When I looked at it financially, because it's for my own house, I'm not looking just to sell it on. I don't get any of the gain of the stamp duty for hitting code level 6. So for the costs it was going to incur in admin and additional searches, hydraulic reports, etc., it was going to cost about the best part of £10,000 to get that code level 6 badge. We've tried to keep a lot of the design principles though we would have done. We've kind of thought about how we would adapt the house for future and living spaces. It's things that you'll do naturally anyway. Okay. There's not a lot to see on rainwater harvesting. Basically all the living areas are south facing, so we get maximum solar gain and daylight. All the bedrooms are bar one are on this face, the other one is south-west facing, so we've tried to maximise obviously natural daylight to reduce lighting load. Although it's all going to be LED, or the majority of it will be LED.
So the underfloor heating is already in there?
Yeah.
Right, so is that when it comes up?
Yeah, yeah. So we've got 125 mil of concrete. Right. So obviously all this back should get heated by the sun, combined with the underfloor heating. And then once that's up to temperature, that obviously is a nice massive storage heater for us to help take out a lot of the variations. But at the same time, what we're trying to do is take the load off the heating. So although it will heat it, so we should never be cold, we're trying to reduce the demand really. So heating wise, probably a couple of £100 a year is the kind of figure I'm thinking.
On today's prices.
Yeah, yeah. And obviously hopefully the PV will help to future-proof us from the electrical variations, because really it's an electrically heated house.
Yes, it's electrical
yeah.
work, isn't it?
Yeah.